Really quickly, now that the cover's off, you can see we've got a couple of these expanding plastic rivets that BMW loves to use. And then you've got a series of fingers here across the back edge. So what I did was I loosened it a little bit along this edge, but this is where those fingers go in, right? So it's actually these posts right here and right here that are holding it primarily in place. So once it was a little bit loose, I got my fingers under this lead edge, very gently pulled down on this edge to get this clip out, pull down on that edge, and then the whole thing came off. Now, like I said, this is really simple. This is power wire right here. See the blue power wire right here? So go ahead and pull that out just like that, and you're gonna plug the new module in. All right, y'all, it really is that simple. Like I said, this is probably one of the easiest DIYs you're ever gonna do. So go ahead and take the original cable, plug it into the one side of the box from Bimmer-Tech, plug the box back in. I put a little bit of double-sided adhesive right here so I could push the box up and it'll hold nice and tight. That way it doesn't rattle around, because I hate rattles. Make sure your cables are not in the way of anything, just like this one was in the way a little bit right there, and you're good to go. So go ahead and just put the cover back on and you're done. All right, y'all, all done, and I warned you that the description would be longer than the install itself. That really is about 15 seconds. Pull the cover, plug the box in, put the cover back on, and you're good to go. Thank you to Bimmer-Tech for making such a fantastic product. This is such just plug and play simplicity, and it's gonna give you additional safety on the road, whether you're on the road or going to the track. And this is something you can add so easily and really toolless. If you got your fingers underneath that cover and popped it down and popped out those little plastic rivets, you can do this out without any tools at all.